Revision Rhinoplasty using Gore-Tex implant and cartilage graft by Dr. Levi John Lansangan. Makikita po natin na Surgiform brand lang ang aming ginagamit because this one has good quality and it's made in USA. So first ay mag-harvest tayo ng ear cartilage using the anterior approach. After that, we used an open rhinoplasty to open the nose. And then now we get the Gore-Tex implant at ika-curve po nating mabuti para wala siyang square edges. No? This is very important because square edges mafe-feel po ng patient and they will complain that of a foreign body on their nose bridge. So we curve it carefully and properly. After that, kukunin po natin yung yung ear cartilage. At yung ear cartilage na yan ay gagamitin natin para sa nose tip at makikita po natin yung patient immediately after the surgery.